Hey guys, today we have to answer this question, so let's take a look. So the question, we have to write 4 to 6 sentences explaining the use of extended metaphor in the poem Cage Bird by Maya Angelou. So surely we get the answer. The answer states that, so this is the small part of answer. This poem is an extended metaphor and it shows how whites demonstrated some discrimination stuff and prejudice towards blacks. So let's take a look at some explanation of that. So first of all, this poem, the book I Know Why the Cage Bird Sings, is the main Maya Angelou, so the author's works, and she is the one of the main American writers and poets of the second half of the 20th century. So the book itself tells about some growing up of the author in the prejudice field south of the USA of the America. So back to our question. This poem is an extended metaphor, and although the speaker doesn't mention any races at all, it is clear that she is showing how the freedoms allotted whites are diametrically opposed to those given to the blacks. So, in the first stanza, the speaker illustrates how the free bird or just white race, so its metaphor, is untroubled, and it also shows how the white race has the audacity to own and some govern society unjustly. And the speaker concludes, the free bird dares to claim the sky, and this shows how white people demonstrated discrimination and prejudice toward blacks. So unfortunately, this deplorable conduct was condoned in society. So actually that's it. You can use this part of our explanation as your answer, or you can use this part also too. So thank you for your question. I hope it helps you a lot. Have a nice day and see you next time. Bye bye.